Hey guys, let's go steal the crystal skull from Ventini. Doesn't that raise your stat all by 50? Yeah, let's go steal it. Let's steal it at night. Let's go. Yeah. Back at night. We have to land down here, guys, because there's like damage. There's like to be exact, like force fields or like what was the plan again? The plan is we're gonna free climb it. Be quiet. We have to whisper. Okay, yeah. We heard you. Wait a second. This isn't for free climbing. Look. Bars. Crap. I have an idea. Wait. Oh no. No. Ah! Oh no. I figured this out for long. Give me the coin. Good, thank you. Okay. Oh no. You keep saying off the alarm, man. Okay, but they can't hear it. Oh no. There. It's the piggy bank. Okay. Roll. No. There's the force field generator. That's also the computer program. Oh no. Gonna need you to shut that off. What am I gonna do? Just wait. No. Do. Okay, you got it? Yeah. Oh no. Oh, well, sorry. Turn off the doors. Okay. Beep. No. What are you doing? Turning off the doors like you said. No, not that way. No. Okay. Now we just have to get under the globe. That's the hard part. Okay, jump. No. Okay. Luna, I need you. No. Ooh. Yeah? Remove it. Ooh. It's really strong. I don't think I can. Keep doing it. Ooh. There it is. Oh no. No, what are you doing? No, you guys take it. I'll take care of Ventini. Oh, crap. Fly. Guys, perfect. Get it! Okay, I got it. Retreat! Oh no. You wouldn't dare. Well, how could you? You're my best friend. Same thing as episode 2, part 1. No! 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 No, no, no! Not at all! Not at all! No! 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 Charge battle! How dare you steal it? You stole it. Let's go, 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 go. Next morning. Oh, my stats went up. Farting. Defense. Special defense. Special attack. And I think that's all. Oh wait, accuracy? And Invenius. Void. Yeah. Oh, my stats rised. That's really great. How dare you? See you next episode.